Hello, Eric here with another tip, trick, or pitfall. Today we're going to build an access panel inside of our METALWORKS Linear Ceiling System. Our access panel will be 40 inches by 44 inches, flangeless. So you'll see no trim around the actual access panel or the opening itself. Our linear ceiling system we're using today is 8-inch panels, perforated. I removed the fleece on the back side so we can see the guts of the actual ceiling system. Our main carriers are 4 foot on center. So making this access panel 44 inches, I was able to build this panel without disturbing the actual framing members, which I need to help support my access panel. The other carriers you see on the inside here, this is the carriers that are actually used to frame up the access panel, which I did on a plywood table and squared it up with some drywall grid bracing that you can see above here to help keep the panel square. I also had to use some construction adhesive to help adhere metal together, and that's basically to attach the linear panels to the carrier so the panels would not slide. When you don't have trim on the access panel, that's the only way to do it, to keep the panels from not sliding off the carrier. So to remove this panel, since I made it full-size panels in one direction, the seam is actually hitting in the reveals. So you cannot tell in the reveals where the access panel is. The only area you're going to see where the access panel is right here, where you'll see some small seams actually going down the ceiling system, which look like a butt joint. So we take the access panel and slide it back, lift it up, slide it to one side so you can clear the 1.5-inch iron, and then go ahead and take and just drop the access panel down like this. And as you can see on the back side of the panel, you see the carriers, you see the angle bracing. The other thing is the 1.5-inch iron that is above the carrier is being supported with an uptight clip, which we do sell here at Armstrong. So to put the panel back in, make sure the 1.5-inch iron is long enough so it can reach over the main carriers of the ceiling system. Raise it all the way up. Set it down. And then just slide it. And then once that's done, just go ahead and just double check your reveals. Maybe you have to tweak a panel here and there, make it look good. And there you have it. A flangeless access panel for a METALWORKS linear ceiling system.